Ever typed something into an Excel cell, and it just spills over into the next one? Don't worry, today I'll show you how to fix that in seconds using wrap text in Excel. Okay, let's jump in. Let's say we have a small product inventory table like this. As you can see, the description column has some long text that's either getting cut off or overflowing into the next cell. To wrap the text properly, first, select the cell or range you want to apply wrap text to. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Alignment group, click on Wrap Text. Instantly, your text will appear on multiple lines within each cell. Want to make it even better? Just double-click on the row boundary to auto-fit. Also, keep in mind, wrap text works best when you've adjusted the column width appropriately. Excel doesn't break words, it only wraps where there are spaces. Prefer shortcuts? Just select the cell, and press Alt, then H for Home tab, and W for wrap text. Super handy! And that's how easy it is to wrap text in Excel. Your data looks cleaner, more professional, and it's way easier to read. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. Thanks for watching.